Hello and welcome to Nails for Sanam. In this video I'm going to be unboxing this portable airbrush kit. It's by the brand, it's Nlapldy, and it is very cute box, and it has a very sturdy packaging, and these are the specifications of the airbrush. And it can be used for the various purposes like makeup, painting, and nail art, not limited to cake decoration and much more. So out of the box we have the instruction manual, which is very simple and straightforward, easy to follow. And right from the box we have a very bright and very attractive airbrush kit, and this is the airbrush and the charging cable, some cleaning tools, and the metal cup, and also there is a larger cup, and this is the compressor. So this is right out of the box, and let's go into the detail. Here is the cleaning brush, also with some accessories. So there are like 5 cleaning brushes to thoroughly clean the airbrush with a key ring so that you don't lose it at all. And there is a dropper to pour the paint, and there is some extra nozzle. So this is a 4mm nozzle, and it is super sturdy and very well made. And this is rechargeable, so we have a type C cable, which is pretty much universal nowadays. And it comes with this metal cup, which is a 10cc, and it is very easy to attach. You just screw it on, and it has a bigger cup for painting needs. It's a 20cc cup, which is also very easy to attach. And this is the airbrush, and it is really well made. It is very comfortable to grip on, and this is the airflow adjuster, so you can unscrew so that you can increase the flow, and you can tighten up to reduce the flow. And it is very simple and very easy to operate. And it has a beautiful chrome finish. On top there is an attachment for the cup, and for the bottom is the compressor attachment, and it has a beautiful 2-tone color. Now this is a compressor, very compact, very lightweight, and it is very simple and very attractive design. And it has a super powerful motor with 7.4 volt. It also comes in various colors, green and black. Very simple to attach, and the power on and off is just press on. And this is the charging point, and when you charge it, the LED light lights up, and it has a very beautiful chrome accent. So now let's attach it. You just have to screw it into the airbrush, and there you go. And as soon as you turn on, you can see the light comes up, and it has a constant pressure of 30 psi. And let's attach the metal cup, and this is how it looks. It is very comfortable to grip on, portable, so you can carry anywhere you want. And now let's do some nail art. So before using the kit, I'm going to clean it up with water. So I just fill up the cup with normal water and just spray it so that it can unblock the nozzle. Now I'm going to use the acrylic paint, so I'm going to dilute it until it's the right consistency, not too thin, not too thick, and then pour it to the cup, and we can start our nail art. So today I'm going to just do a simple gradient nail art. So first I'm going to apply the base coat, which is white. So, and as you can see, when it's turned on, it's a very low noise, and in one swipe its first coat is already done. It's like few seconds. Wow. And you can build it up, you can use multiple coats. Now I'm going to use the black color, and then I'm going to do the gradient. So I'm just going to paint the tip of my nail just like this, and it's very easy. It looks very natural and it looks very perfect gradient you want to create. Now you can decorate however you want. I'm just going to add some golden petals and dots, and here we go. In few seconds your nail art is done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. And would you like to try this airbrush? I have the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.